DGCA reports a growth of 23% in passenger load factor of domestic airlines during January to May this year. France Tourism to organize a B2B summit on spirituality.
Religious tourism is also now taking its pride of place. We find that India is also, while it remains a niche, is becoming a market that's significant for it. In the year 2015, the official figures we have, which we're very delighted to share, is that we've touched the 500,000 mark, which is 500,000 Indian tourists. Well, we've had a year-on-year growth of about 15 to 20% over the last 5 or 6 years.
Foreign tourist arrivals during the period January to May 2016 grew by 9% in comparison to the same time last year. Atmantan Wellness Centre aims at luring more domestic business from in and around Mumbai.
Our immediate markets would be places which are closer to Pune. So Pune itself being big is a big market for us, followed by Bombay. Over the next few months, we'll focus on Western and Southern India. And towards the end of the year, we'll be also reaching out to North and East of the country. Having said that, over a period of 3 years, we see ourselves catering to 80% domestic, having a domestic client base of 80% and overseas client base of around 20%.
It caters to not just a niche clientele, but it also caters to people who are discerning, who are aware what wellness is about, what are the best global wellness trends. It's been phenomenal.
We find we've got very passionate individuals like Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor who have the dream that they want to have something like Atmantan, but often they don't have the technical experience in terms of the hotel operations, and so what we do, we come in and support them from behind the scenes.
In time we'll have a special edge over the other from the point of view that we are doing the promotion for them in a different way, and of course we also cater to a high profile crowd of Bombay, so we're trying to get them to all go there, to experiment and learn the product.